guys, I'm Alfin. I'm currently pursuing a BTech in Artificial Intelligence and Data Science in Columbia University, and my registered number was URK24AI1035. In this video, we are going to see about how to implement a circular queue using ARA in C language. A circular queue is a modified from a normal queue where the lost position is connected back to the first position and forming a cycle. This allows you to recycle empty spaces created by deletions, unlike a linear queue where space gets wasted. I will explain the code line by line. Here we included the standard library input and output. Next, it defines the maximum queue size, 5 as much you want. You can use here according to your wish and create an integer array queue of that size. We also initializing the front end char to -1, which indicates the queue is initially empty. Next, we move on to the is full function. The queue is full when either front is 0 and rar is the lost index, or the next position of rar becomes equal to front, meaning there is space left. Next, we move on to the isempty function. If front is -1, it means the queue has no element or is empty. Next, before inserting, we can check if the queue is empty. Now we are seeing the enqueue function. If it is not, we move here forward using those functions. Real plus one. Size. This is what makes the queue circular. If it's the first element, we also set front is equal to 0. Finally, we place the value in the queue and display the message. Next, we are seeing the dequeue function. To delete an element, we check if the queue is empty. If not, we bring the deleted element and then move front forward using those functions. If was the lost element, both front and rear was reset to -1. Next, I move on to the display function. It prints all the elements from front to rear. We are using here while loop with modular arithmetic so that it correctly prints even when the queue wraps around. Next, in the main function, we use the while loop to continuously show a menu of operations. Depending on the user choice, we call the corresponding function. If the user enters for the program exists, let me run this code. So I'm entering the value. Um, so you can see the output. So that's how we implemented the circular queue entity using RINC. The circular queue helps to reuse memory efficiently by wrapping around the array instead of wasting a space like a linear queue. We successfully performed all the operations like enqueue, dequeue, and display using a modular arithmetic functions.